Hi, this is Megan from I Teach What's Your Superpower, and I have a video tutorial for you on how to add some social media icons or teacher store icons or just some handy icons to your sidebar. So I have a lot of things open right now. I have a Word document. I'm going to use this to get all my text ready. I have my Blogger dashboard open. I don't actually have a teacher store, so I'm going to show you this tutorial with someone else's teacher store. I have my Pinterest link open and also the tutorial for how to do this open. You're going to need a lot of things to get this going. So first off, I'm going to go to this tutorial on my Blog Baby blog page. You're going to have to go and click on the link to download. And actually, we're going to cheat. We're not going to download. You'll have to select the icon color that you want. Just for this purpose, I'll use the brown icons. Now you can download these, then you'll have to host them somewhere on the internet. Since we're looking at these pictures, that means they're already hosted on the internet, so I'm going to cheat and skip a step here. So I have these opened. I'm going to use these, I'll use the mail, the Pinterest, and the, I think it's a teacher, what did I get? Teachers Pay Teachers icon for this tutorial. So I have my icons open and ready to go. The next thing I need is all this text. So that's where the Word document comes in. I'm going to use a Word document and just copy and paste this text into here so that I can quickly adjust it and stick it into my dashboard. So I want the email text, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to stick it on my Word document, wherever that went. Paste it in there. And there it's going to show up. It's thinking. There you go. I'm going to grab the Pinterest code here. I'm going to paste that on there. And I'm going to grab the Teachers Pay Teachers code and stick that on there. That'll be plenty. Now we have a couple of things that we need to fix up. Here you need to put in your actual email address. So I'll put mine in. Okay, I'm going to put in the correct Pinterest address. Here's my Pinterest. Let's go to Megan. See my girls there. I'm going to paste the correct Pinterest address in. Apparently it's concerned that I'm not spelling this correctly, but I know what I'm doing. And I'm going to use Sarah from Miss B's Busy Bees, her store link just for this tutorial. Since I'm not putting it on a real blog, I don't think she'll mind. Okay, now the next thing that I need to change is this image source code right here. This is where you're going to put the image URL, the website of the icon you want to use, and this is where I told you we're kind of cheating. So I'm going to go over here, and if I right click on this, I can copy the image address. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to paste it in here. So that was a, oh gosh, here goes the dog. Sorry. Of course. That was helpful. Now for the Pinterest, I'm going to copy the image address and stick that in on my Pinterest code for image URL. And also I want the Teachers Pay Teachers copy image address. And I'm going to stick it on for image URL in here. Okay, and so this is my crazy code. Now, do you see these numbers? You might need to play with that depending on how you want it to look on your sidebar. You can make it larger or smaller, but this is going to work for me. So I want to get all this code together. So I'm backspacing. I don't want to lose anything because I'll be in dire straits then. Nothing will work. But I'm going to get it all together, and then I'm going to add one more step in because I like my things to be centered on my sidebar. And this is on the Blog Baby Blog tutorial also. I'm going to add this in. I'm going to open it as centered, and I have to also close it as centered for all this to work. Now I've got all this HTML has quickly been adjusted to match what I want. So I'm going to go to my blog. I'm going to go to Layout, Add a Gadget. Let me bring that in so you can see. I'm going to go down to HTML. I can put a title in, I don't have to. And I'm just going to paste all that crazy HTML in, save, click on Save Arrangement, or you're not going to have it. Now I can view my blog, and you might not want it here. You can drag it around, and these are going to bring me to where I want to go. See, this has brought me to Pinterest. This is going to bring me to Sarah's Teacher Pay Teacher store. And this would open up a link to email me. So it really, it's not very difficult. It looks very nice on your sidebar to have it coordinated, and it's a lot easier to add in than it looks. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always happy to help. You can email me or leave a comment.